witness to one of the most complex moments in all of urban wildlife. A drunk man coming home from a bar, looking for a place to pee. His instinctual pee-pee dance tells us he must pee on the next block. Just look at him. He's under intense bladder pressure and quite hammered on gin rickeys, but his large human brain will make an astonishing number of risk calculations for the precarious adventure to come. Aha! Here's a spot. First, he checks for old people and children. Those are the worst possible witnesses, and a passing female might dismiss him as a potential mate. Next, he checks traffic. He doesn't want a police car or a limo full of women he somehow knows to see his deed. Next, a check for animals. Don't want to pee on a rat and anger a colony, but he'd love to pee on a cockroach, which drunk men believe brings good luck. He peed in this spot not 1 year ago, and like a salmon, he returns to a stream that he himself once created. A sniff for other men's pee scent. There could be rivals afoot. And now, the crucial moment. He searches and seizes. He gauges the slope of the street to keep his feet outside the path of the trickle. Now some angling to minimize splashback. And release. Ah, what's this? A fake phone call camouflages his peeing, but draws another kind of attention.
Give me your fucking money!
I got my